Okay, go.
Smiley face now.
That is so divine.
To talk at the Christmas table this year.
Closer. We've got to capture that. Oh yeah, great. That's lovely. That's lovely. Of course I will, my love. That's beautiful. That's lovely. Hey kid, you're coming strong, girl. Oh, you're not just a girl with a funny stocking, eh? Okay.
Yeah, that looks stunning.
That looks lovely.
Oh, look at that. Awesome. Awesome, 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 awesome.
Man, you know she's my wingman, eh? As she told you. On all our trips, she's the wingman. Out with the map, she's thrown in the front of the car next to me and I go, right, catch. Here's the map, let's go.
Oh wow, looks what's happening back there. Let's see.
Nice, eh?
Oh wow.
Excuse me.
Awesome! What a fantastic result. Hey, isn't that beautiful?
I need to see
Well, if you mark your bed sheets, you know.
actually before it goes in. Yeah, I think that's going to be pretty cool.
Why'd I put so many damn elastic bands on in the first place? What was I thinking?
This one's going to be cool. I'm looking for the zebra stuff.
Wow,
Very
that's cool,
cool.
man.
Awesome.
Big smile. Cool, eh?
Loves this.
The house is in the house.
That one's going to be cool.
Yeah, it's in the house last night.
Cute. Cute little baby legs. Mo.
At least you got it like the same level, you know? Like you don't have like purple halfway, 3/4. That is very
When the
cute.
baby's wearing it, it's going to look like it's got shorts on. Oh, Eugene, did you make that?
Yes, like a bumblebee.
That's really awesome.
Eugene,
Like those big locusts.
that is like a what? A springbok. Let's see.
That's very cool. Some child is really going to like that.
Sam, very nice.
Impressive.
Right, now I've got to spread it out, okay?
You need another one, do you?
Oh wow.
I'll go in. You go.
Oh wow. That's beautiful, Jenny. Well done, it's divine.
Got a mission or I can see who's going to help.
Yes, this is box.
It's because we're so impatient. Just give it 2 minutes. 5 minutes maybe.
Curiosity killed the cat.
No, just let it drop.
That's exactly what it's all about.
Awesome.
This one.
Oh, awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome,
Okay,
awesome.
just face this way for me.
That
Wait,
is
that's gotta be
so
white.
brilliant.
That's not cool. Oh no.
Were you two planning that outfit?
Clearly. I seem to be doing that a lot with people.
Now just stand still. Yes.
Do you really think so?
Okay, hold on. This is.
I think it's
And
pretty
other one?
amazing. Look at
That side
that.
is awesome. They're both great. Yeah, especially for you who likes pink.
It's awesome. That's your dress.
It's one shirt.
Yeah.
So you're going to be wearing it.
Put it out flat on the ground so that the colors don't touch each other.
Groovy.
I'm quite glad how they come out.
Are you?
Quite bright, yes.
How old is she?
We're turning 10. All three of them.
A 10-year-old girl is gonna. Now.
That came out beautiful.
Oh my goodness.
I just thought it's time to put some music on. Wow.
Between Christmas, I mean, we can just set it like that.
Did you supermode or I just did a straight line? Yes. Straight line. I should have asked Steve.
We didn't have anybody except you on Monday. And then all of a sudden on Tuesday,
I'm so glad.
starting to do a panic. And my husband goes through all the email list and said, please find Janice.
Guess how many 10 runners I'm going to be here?
You ladies are just in time for a wow moment. Fantastic. Only because you're in a hurry. Oh, well understood. You learned from the last one. Yeah, if you can't make it to the class, there is a book available in the store as well.
Thanks. I'd like a message. I'd love to leave here and leave you with a mess.
We don't mind.
But also, it's so much easier when you've got somebody helping you,
Yes.
showing you what to do.
Well, it's also so much nicer when you've got an audience for the wow moment. Oh, look what she did.
Oh, that looks so lovely. How did you do the heart?
I sort of tweaked it. I don't know. I can show you. In the sun.
Okay. No, don't you rinse it after?
Sure.
Or do you rinse it
Tomorrow.
So I don't rinse it now. Oh, you will rinse it.
No, it's 6 of one, half a dozen of the other.
Should I open it?
Theoretically, your colours will be brighter if you leave it for 24 hours. Not many people in my class want to wait for theoretical.
Look at that.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Or a snack.
Yeah.
And the back too.
Oh, that is so nice.
Quite nice. It's delicious.
I did in between, I can put some of the sponge. Added. That is very, very
love it.
nice. I love it. That was a lot of work, but the results was worth it. I love it.
Can I put this on a dustbin?
We recycle the bags. They can go back in the...
Do you wash it?
No?
We let it dry.
Let it dry.
Oh, nice colours.
Isn't that beautiful? Ons is ook nuuskierig.
That one's yours.
Can you do that dance again, please? Isn't that fantastic?
She's gonna
Beautiful.
Okay, here we go. Wow moment.
I didn't know this loppies also die awesomely.
Let's go. Wow moment.
Daddy, what is your favorite one? That one? That's
I like this one for its colors. I like that one. That looks like
Oh wow.
Yes.
It's beautiful. Sure. Dis is so gemaak het. Oh, awesome.
Wow.
put it down.
Look at me! Oh my! Wow! I'm a rock star. I think yours is
Beautiful. So you've been standing by quietly while everyone was else.
You know what? That's well. Okay, but hold on. Why have I got green in it? I thought we said no green.
No, you put.
Oh, yeah, and the dome is always red, so that's actually perfect. Yeah.
She needs to go to the toilet.
Now, but you missed the wow.
Oh.
Look up. Oh, God, you came. Wow, look up.
Awesome!
This is called the wow moment. Everybody, this is Wesley. Nice.